What's up guys, it's Sienna and welcome back to C Caesar. So today we got fireworks prank on girlfriend gone wrong. OMG. Excuse me. Y'all, I'm actually quite excited to see this because I already know this is finna be funny. Like, first of all, like, if you hear some fireworks go off in your house, like, bro, like, you're automatically finna be on some, like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what's happening, what's happening? Like, it's finna be, like, on go, like, defense, like, you know? So, let's go ahead and get into it.
I promise not to do you wrong. Baby girl, you know that he was wrong. I'll always be your backbone. I'll always keep you standing strong. Baby girl, I want you for the rest of my life. There's no lie. There's no lie. No, there's no lie. Baby girl, I want you for the rest of my life. There's no lie. There's no lie. No, there's no lie. You know, I just wanna. CC gang, what it do? Welcome back to the channel. We back with another video. Well, no. Let me correct that, man. I'm back with another prank, man. Oh, look. Today, I am about to prank Carmen, right? Carmen in the bed sleeping. I just got CJ up. He ain't laying on the couch. Well, as I just put him on the floor, he was on the couch. But listen, I thought about, cause I tried to get Carmen up, bro, and I was like, man, you know what, you gonna wake up. I had these fireworks in here for a long time. I have a head. I got a lot of little props and shit here, you know what I'm saying? Like that I wanna use on Carmen, you know what I'm saying? So it was like, I said, babe, get up. We supposed to be going to Alabama today. I said, babe, get up. Cause it's early. We normally go around by 11, but we gotta start getting up early, bro, cause we be missing too much daytime. Like, you know, late as hell. We don't have enough time to do what we want to do in you know what I'm saying, the daytime. So it's like, we gotta start getting up early. Oh, god damn. So she won't get up. So I said, I got a trick for her ass. I'm about to get ready to prank her with these fireworks. I can't go on. I can't talk too long because I know Carmen. She'll notice like that I'm out the bed and she'll just get up out the blue. We better go ahead and try to get these ready real quick. I'm doing it in this bowl. I'm gonna go in the room and try to catch a lack. Hope she'll get up, man. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I know y'all about ready to see this prank. So hey, let's get straight into it. Alright, so it look complicated as heck, everybody. I know. But I got it where, like, you know, everything touching the green. Because all I need is the green just to catch on fire. You know what I'm saying? We want the green to catch on fire. And once that green catch on fire,
green means go.
Everything else just go fall in line. So I'm going to leave it like that. CJ. I'm scared your mama, so be quiet. God, you can't. I'm gonna scare your mama, be quiet, okay? Don't make too much noise, okay? Thank you, daddy, baby.
Right there. I'm dead. Stop.
Oh shit.
Bad. Bad.
Oh shit, hey. Hey. Hold on, I'm sorry, CJ. I'm sorry, CJ. I'm sorry, CJ. Hey. Babe, I'm sorry. Hey. It's just a break. It's just a break. It's just a break. It's just a break. Hey. Okay, hold on, dude. Hold up, babe. Oh, I burnt our carpet. Oh, shit.
A stupido.
Okay, hold on, say. My bad, it's a prank.
No move.
Hold the camera.
No move.
But why would I hold the camera? Because it's a prank.
Hold on, I burnt the carpet. Oh, shit, I burnt the carpet. What was I thinking, bro?
Idiot.
Hey, it's okay, Dad. I was pranking your mama. I told you, be quiet.
Why would you do that?
It's okay, man. I'm sorry, okay? I was just trying to prank mama, okay?
Come on, get out.
Chill out. Oh, shit. It's like fire.
No, it's smoky in there.
Bad idea. Oh, shit. Alright, guys, that ain't go the way I planned.
That ain't go the way I
I
planned.
think I broke our carpet, bro. Oh, shit. I gotta get that fixed ASAP. Come on, bring him out. Babe, bring him out. No. I'm sorry, Daddy, man. Daddy's sorry, okay? I love you. You forgive me?
Say no.
You forget Daddy? Hey, you forget Daddy?
No.
Daddy's sorry, okay?
No.
You let me talk to my baby.
No.
I'm
He said, let me
sorry.
talk to my
Come in the
baby.
house.
Yeah, we'll check the carpet. Check your fire. Check your head. Damn. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. It was some smoke in our room. Damn. It actually burned inside the carpet, dog.
This is beyond me.
This is beyond me.
I'm trying to hurry get this up. Cause let's try to get this up, guys. Oh my God, bro. Oh, I'm trying to make y'all happy. I'm trying to give y'all some good content like a burn my damn
You
house.
should have known.
Oh my good. I think I did it wrong. I don't know, man. Y'all, hey, comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. Was this a stupid? I think it was a stupid ass idea. I need some opinions.
He said, I need some opinions.
Look at this dude.
Yeah, so look at him. Now,
He said, look at this dude.
Doing that. Look. Burn our carpet up.
Come on, man.
Oh, no.
Trying to prank me.
It ain't even that bad.
Why you want me to get up anyway?
Cause I told you good, we got so
But what time did I went to sleep? You gotta think about that. But you want to give me this was the wrong way. Look at you. How you feel?
How
you feel?
How
you feel?
How you feel?
How you feel? How you feel? Cause you the one that gotta clean up.
How you feel?
How do you feel?
I was laughing.
Well, that's you. Well, who got to clean the mess now? You got to do all that. Look at you.
I'm done.
How you done when you see them 4 marks in there? Get them off.
Get them all.
Don't get up until you get them off.
Get out.
This is your mess. CJ, your daddy trying to prank us, CJ. Yeah, your daddy trying to prank me, boy. Yeah, your daddy
Look at
trying to
him.
prank me with fireworks. How you feel? Yeah, that's how you feel. I know it too, boy.
Man, I gotta say, it did turn out good. I mean, you can barely tell that. I don't know, like, well, yeah, you can't really tell. It's just that part right there, just a little bit dark, just a little hard there. But then the other two, like, come on, man. Like,
Come on, man.
Tell me what y'all think. Oh, boy. Well, one thing, at least our room doesn't smell like smoke anymore. No, it don't smell like smoke, and our covers don't smell like smoke, none of that. So, yeah, I did good, man. But I at least I did get her. Y'all got to smash that like button.
Did get her.
Y'all got to smash the like button.
But you got yourself too.
But I tell y'all what, smash the like button. Let's get this video to 30,000 likes.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to come back with something way more epic. Because I got some other shit on my sleeve too. If y'all want these videos, man, y'all got to get this video 30,000 likes because I'm going to go crazy. No cap. You know what I'm saying? Prank Wars. We really back and on our grind mode. And I'm finna go crazy. And don't forget to go subscribe to my channel also, man. Life with Corey. Go do that. Because I got some dope videos. Babe, you alright? Did I kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Did I
Hey, leave me alone.
You sleepy?
Yeah, because I didn't get my rest like I was supposed to. Thanks to you.
What you saying though?
go wrong.
Not really.
Whatever.
Did Daddy scare you, man? Daddy scared you.
Heck yeah.
You were crying and everything, man.
Yeah, why you
You
do
were
him
crying
like
for a baby.
that?
Oh,
He
you
is
listened to
so
that. Why
adorable.
you so hyper? What's wrong with you? Is you okay, man? Oh. Oh, Alright, boy.
Alright, 60 gang, man. That's the end of this video. Don't forget what I told y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all now.
Got y'all now. Oh, that was cute. That little no. Yo, I don't understand how he didn't think that that wasn't going to like burn everything. Like, first of all, it wasn't in the middle of the plate, it was like all the way on the edge, and so it's like as everything is burning, you should have known that like stuff was gonna move, especially because it's popping, so everything's gonna pop and then like pop up. So I don't even know. That's what she said, stupid. I said idiot. Like, what? He was so confused. He was like, oh, I think I burnt the carpet. I'm like, oh, right, like clearly something's not clicking here. Like, whoa. But that was a cool little prank, y'all. Carmen was bro, when the baby started crying, I said, see, now you done disturbed everybody's peace in this house, and you the only one. But he wasn't the only one, because his peace was disturbed too, because he was like, I burnt the carpet, you know. So I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all thought about this prank in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and blue hearts are true hearts.